Well, we've finally assembled the George Edwards 8-foot table. It's a lovely, lovely table, 3-piece bolted slate. All we need to do now is turn up the missing cushion buttons, polish them, re-rubber the cushions and cover the cushions, and it's ready to go. It's a really, really nice table, lots of history. Obviously a George Edwards table, nice and early. And it was re-rubbered, in October 1945 by Howard Nuttall and Son. They've actually signed it on the back, so in October 1945, and it was made. It's actually got the cabinet maker stamp on there as well, which is good. And then it's got a lovely, lovely little scoreboard that comes with it. And on there it says about. I hope you can see it. My video's rubbish. J. Yeoman's 231 break, August the 30th, 1922. So it's a really nice table. Lots of history coming with that. And I think that's absolutely superb.